Hi there, my name is David with Armitron, and in this video I will walk you through the simple steps needed to size your watch that uses a sliding carriage style bracelet, like the Griffy, so that you can start to enjoy your watch on your wrist. If you aren't sure of your wrist size and how to best wear your watch, feel free to check out our wrist measurement video first. In order to size this watch bracelet, you'll need a small pin removal tool like the one you can find in our toolkit, or a small flathead screwdriver will work as well. Lie the watch flat onto your tabletop or a flat surface. To prevent scratches to your watch and bracelet, I would recommend doing this over a smooth surface like a leather pad or towel. Next, take a look at the end of the bracelet and note that there is a long flap and a shorter one with a hooked end. This will become important later. On the opposite end of the bracelet, you'll see the sliding carriage mechanism. Take note of the small arrow engraved into this part. And taking your tool or small screwdriver, insert the tip into the hole that the arrow is pointing at, and then, while holding the sides of the carriage, carefully apply pressure in a downward motion to pry the clasp open. Once the clasp is opened, you can easily slide the carriage mechanism up or down the bracelet. Now, taking your tape measure or strip of paper marked with your wrist length, measure from the small hook end of the bracelet and line the carriage mechanism up with your wrist size. You want the thin bar on the carriage mechanism to line up with your actual wrist length. For me, I have a 7 1/4 inch wrist size, but I like my watches a little loose, so I'll line it up here and then, using pressure, simply snap the clasp downward so it locks into place. Putting this watch on can be a bit tricky, so the easiest way is to place the watch head onto your wrist and then, while wrapping the bottom half of the bracelet around your wrist, hold it in place with your thumb, allowing your other fingers to grab the top half of the bracelet and bring the hooked clasp to meet the carriage mechanism. Allow the hooked part to go over the thin bar, which will hold the watch in place, then press the snap clasp down to secure the clasp in its place. Lastly, line up any excess overlapping bracelet material for a cleaner look. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wanted to thank you for trusting Armitron to be with you. Enjoy your watch and take care.